Greetings everyone, I'm Patricia Noveros and today I'm here with Miss Isabel Nicano, a second-year nursing student from Makati Med. So, Miss Isa, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm going to ask you different three categories and the first one is about your personality. So, describe or explain more about your characteristics or your personality.
I describe myself as a persevering person, dedicated to whatever I do.
So, I'm interested, where did you graduated in high school?
I graduated from Casa del Niño Montessori Science High School from Taguig.
And then, did you really plan to take up nursing?
Nursing wasn't in my plan, but my parents told me so I decided to pursue nursing.
So, did your parents force you to study nursing?
Yes. Yeah.
Why did you follow them?
Because I thought that if I'm not going to take up nursing, I don't have any course or any plans at mind, so I decided to take up nursing.
So, do you have any regrets so far in your decisions?
So far, at first, I did regret, but then as of now, go with the flow.
Oh, good for you. So, second is about your job. So, next is about your job. So, is it hard to be involved in a committee?
Yes.
So, is it hard to do things at the same time? And how do you manage your time?
I sacrifice going out and lack of sleep because
So, can you state the positive and the negative things in your status by doing extracurricular activities and your studies?
when you join extracurricular activities, you gain extra credit with your subjects because of extra points. But the studies, I think, you can still manage. It's just about time management.
And negative.
The negative is you get so tired, you have less time to study.
So far, what is the most unforgettable thing in your committee?
The most unforgettable. The SASH, I'm part of the SASH committee in our school. And then the SASH was rushed because the mananahe did not get the instructions right. So we have to rush things out.
Okay. So, concluding questions. So, what are the lessons you have learned so far in your life?
Lessons learned, I became more optimistic. I think.
So, can you give advice to those students who are planning or taking up nursing right now?
Nursing isn't all about money. It's not all about the dollar sign. It's all about caring for others because whenever you give care to patients who are sick and they say thank you or give gratitude to all the efforts you do, it's lahat ng pagod mo mawawala.
So, last, what is your motto that makes you a stronger person?
My motto, it's better to live a life with no regrets. Because like this, entering nursing, you might regret, but then you just have to think positive about the path that you choose.
Okay, so thank you, Miss Isa, for having you in this interview. So, thank you.